Welcome. Desert Just Planning. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you found me and I found you. And I hope that we can create together and motivate each other and inspire each other in our planning journey. As well as if you have been here before, I'm super glad that you came back, and I'm glad that you are supporting my channel and that I am inspiring you. So in today's setup, I will have week number 3 in my home section, and I will be using the dates and holidays by Happy Memory Keeping, the Happy Planner. And then I pulled in this one, which is Opal Mountain. I bought it a while back. Not actually, it's one of my earlier purchases, or one of my not so long ago purchases, for a layout that I did for a collab. And I thought, well, let me go ahead and pull it in. And then I was looking at this month and I was like, okay, we got week 1, week 2, week 3, which I have to redate, week 4, and then we have nothing. And I'm like, oh my. So I went and I pulled some of my other ones, and I think I'm going to use it for next week, but it really depends on if I can convert these two, kind of, if that makes sense. Like, this is cream, this is pink, this is gray, and this one's pink. See, I could have used that one. And then this one's gray. So I'm all nervous about it. But then I look at the planner itself. Let's see. We're going to brainstorm together. Yes, we are. So we have this August, and it's pink. And then I have my daily task. Okay. And then I have this September, and it's gray. And then I have the October. And what did I do? I had to use... There's one. These are the same colors. Excuse me while I clear my throat. But then I don't have another October. Okay, so there's October, then we have November, and that's pink. We have December, and that's gray. So the one I'm going to have to use is October. And then I'm still going to have like a messed up month. But in some aspects I'm not, because I could use any of these outside of November and June, because the October has 31 and those have 31. So I'm just going to put this all in the back. I don't know why it's not in the planner itself, but what I haven't used is in here. And then I have it kind of like pre-set up for the months, so all I have to do is take it out. So what I'll do is, I can't really just use the whole October moving forward. I just want to use the one sheet to add the week. So let's go back to October. Like, I ran into this and I was like, oh, what happened? But it's okay. So we have October. And then we have week 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to take October out. And I'm going to put May in its place. And matter of fact, I might just take the whole tab. Because I cut this part off. The May part that says May, is cut off. So, but that way I know. Okay. So there's that. There's October. Oh wait, this is the rest of October. So I'll just put that back here. Again, we're using our stash, so we got to get creative. If you want to know what I'm doing, it's the HP Stash Challenge over there on Instagram. And it was created by Creatively Lisa Marie. So I am also out of whiteout. So let's see if we can't do something creative with the whole days of the week. Because I have to change some things up. So what if I just go like this? There's only 6, so I can't do that. That would have been cute, don't you think? I think it would have been cute. Alright. We're going to flip through this. We're going to see what we can do. Because I need to cover up these dates. And the stars that I was going to use, like, look, there's these, and there's only 6. And they don't have the gold. So I'm thinking, let's decorate and then we'll do the days. That way I know what I'm working with. Okay, so let me get the side bar. I just seen it. We will just do the blue. There's that one. My daughter's singing. Now she's embarrassed because I said something. All right. I don't know if I want to use. All right. So I'm going for this little star. That's what I'm going for. So there's those. And then I'm going for the round. That's all right, and then I'm going to use these for like the main task of the day.
here. No. And here. Found you. Can't do that out.
All I have to say is, like, if I ever listen to this, like, a whole bunch of years later from now, I'm gonna hear my little daughter's voice playing in the background. And it's gonna be Precious, I'm sorry.
Oh, I forgot me.
Alright, keep doing all the things. I'm not doing any of that. Hope Wish Dream. And then okay. Today's goal. Take note.
Fine. You can play.
Gotta do the dots. So this is what I was wondering, if I could do this. And then I should have known better than to do that. That's fine. It's trash. Okay. And then go outside, you will find yourself. and then do something today that will impact your tomorrows. And so we got our list. And look for the good. I don't know why I did that, but that's fine. And then there's this one. Stardust. If I had more of the star pieces, I would use them. See, those are foiled, and I don't want to do that. Didn't want to do that with the foil. Okay, I don't know. That's fine. I'm gonna leave it. Got my paper. Alright.
I'm waiting for you to be done. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, so then we have the dates that need to happen, and we're changing things up. So that's 14, so we need 15, and we're gonna do it in black. So we got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. There you go. Alright, so what will probably happen is I will find some kind of washi to go over that. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so here it is, week number 3, using dates and holidays. That would be this one, and then we have the Opal Mountain. That is our layout. This is the home, so this is for the house and the fur babies. So this is week 3. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me put this together, and if you did, I really hope you come back to see how I set up week 4. Alright, and I will see you guys later.